market. I'll show you a typical example of a trend market. Now let's go to the next thing I would like to talk about before I go to the main topic of today, which is how to trade chart patterns. Now there's also what we call sorry how to trade chart patterns. So okay, let me bring this now. Let me just go to today's topic, which is how to trade chart patterns. There are different kind of chart patterns. When I mean chart pattern, I mean patterns market creates, technical patterns the market creates with candlestick patterns in the market. There are different kinds. We have the reversal candlestick pattern, we have the continuation candlestick pattern, we have the bilateral candlestick pattern. Okay, let me do it this way. We have the reversal chart pattern, we have the continuation chart pattern, we have the bilateral chart pattern. Those are the major three kind of pattern in the market. But also all these patterns can be found inside one pattern, which is called the Elliott wave. Elliott wave. Is it Elliott or Elliott wave? You can find them there. So now let me show you what Elliott wave is all about. Let me say market wave, then let me say Elliott, so I can understand market wave is all about. This is a typical market wave. A typical market wave looks like this. It has a trend that goes up like this, does a pullback, do another trend, another pullback, another trend. They used to call this move 1, wave 2, sorry, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. Okay, let me use different color marker to do this so that you can understand better. So this is my wave 1, wave 3, and wave 5. So this is my wave 2, wave 2, wave 4, wave 4. So let me join this with this. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Technically, don't mind my drawing, it's because I'm using my hand. I can't find my cellular pen. So wave 1 is wave 10, and wave 2 is never equal to wave 1. That is, wave 2 can be equal to wave 1. And 3 is the longest. Wave 3 is always longer than wave 1. So you have wave 4 equal to wave 1. So the is right here. So now I want you to do something. Wave time frame. Note that go to the time cause of wave 5. This wave form that will be easy reversal. If or wave 145, I expect a rotation like this. So here and C. Imagine to and time trend up again. Now do a correct reversal.